Hi everyone, welcome back in another trade setups. Hope you are good. Now let's look at the euro dollar this time. Euro dollar is still bearish, still under pressure, dollar gaining against the euro dollar, and we believe that euro dollar going to continue to go lower within that descending trend reversal channel. So price is running within that descending trend reversal channel since May 2018, and in longer run this descending trend reversal channel is going to break up at some point. So we may see another move down within that descending trend reversal channel back at the bottom or new low. Yeah, price can push up to 107. So this short term sell or this short to medium term sell can give you a good profit. All right, so the opportunity which we are looking is this. Okay, so you're looking actually price action on lower time frame to get into the trade, and on this wave. All right, so continue to go lower all the way back at the bottom or new low. Okay, so that's the wave which we are looking for. So let's look at the lower time frame. Okay, we are still within that short-term corrective uptrend. Still within that corrective uptrend, and we got very nice price action. All right, we got very nice price action. Last time we got very nice correction. A price broke out, went higher. That price action, all right, and we got that price action again. So you're looking for similar kind of correction. All right, so if I'm gonna look at the previous correction, then you're gonna get the idea that the correction was there previously, but price broke out because of the Fed rate decision. All right, so Fed was dovish on that day. All right, so we did not see a breakout. This was the correction, so we were expecting it to break down that correction. Okay, we got the very nice impulsive move, and we were expecting that correction to break down and euro dollar to continue to go lower. So we did not get that breakout, and euro dollar went higher for small push up. All right, but that hasn't changed the bigger structure or bigger setup which I have just shown you on bigger time frame. So which means that we still can get sell on the euro dollar for more downside. So you're looking for similar kind of correction, the correction which we have seen previously, but that correction did not went lower, did not broke out. All right, so you are looking similar kind of correction to form at the current price, and once price going to complete that correction, you can get into the trade on breakout. You can put your stop behind that, or you can get into the trade before that correction to break down. All right, or 100% retracement. So I'm gonna show you example. All right, so how you're looking for the trade. Okay, so there you got the sharp sell. Okay, and price was correcting back to that sharp sell. All right, so that was the short-term sell over there. So this is you're looking same kind of trade on 1 hour time frame. All right, so you're looking for this correction to slightly get bigger. All right, that correction to get bigger. So the bigger the correction gonna be, the better entry you're gonna get. All right, okay, this impulsive move, the impulsive move which is just there. Okay, price to correct back to that impulsive move, go up to 786 or 886. All right, so the higher the price will go, the better the risk reward ratio or the better the entry you're gonna get. All right, so you are waiting for that correction to this 15-minute time frame correction to form, that 15-minute time frame correction to appear, and go up to 786 or 886 and give price action over there for downside. Okay, so in case if price is not going to give you that deeper correction, not going to correct back at the previous top, all right, back at the 112, all right, and not going to give you that bigger correction, all right, then what you should do, you should watch the smaller correction. All right, so because price is at the top and went lower very aggressively from the previous top, from the 112. All right, so it can form small correction, smaller correction, and that correction can break down and can continue to go lower rather than the bigger time frame correction. Okay, so for that you have to get into the you have to watch breakout. Okay, so that entry gonna be late. That entry not going to give you a good risk reward ratio. Yeah, it will give you a good risk reward ratio, but not good stop placement. So your stop should be at an area or at a place where you're going to be safe. All right. So the deeper the correction, the better the stop placement you're going to get. All right. So you're waiting. Yeah, you're waiting and watching for that correction. So if correction is going to be smaller, all right, smaller like that correction, because we have seen already aggressive sell on the euro dollar from 112 to up to 111. Okay, almost 100 pip move is already over there. So in case if the bigger correction which I'm asking to look for, if that bigger correction is not going to appear over there, then let this small correction, this 15-minute correction to appear over there, all right, and then get into the trade on stronger breakdown. Okay, breakdown similar like that move. Okay, if I'm gonna flip that, okay, so once you're gonna see that the correction is completed and breaking down very aggressively, so get into the trade, put your stop behind the correction, and watch the trade all the way up to 107. Okay, so your first target gonna be the previous bottom. Okay, so hope you got it. This 15-minute correction. Okay, this 15-minute correction to complete and break down. If that correction is going to get bigger, which is very good for the better entry and better stop placement, which is going to be much better. So deeper correction like that. Okay, this deeper correction going to give you a better entry from 786 or 886 of the previous impulsive move and stop behind the previous top. All right, so let me show you the short-term target and then medium term. All right, so your short-term target gonna be that. Okay, so correction which I have just explained, make sure you get into the trade after watching that correction. All right, so this is what you're gonna look for. Stop loss is gonna depend on you. If you are comfortable with 30 pip stop loss, you can use that 30 pip stop loss. All right, if you are comfortable with wider stop loss, you can use that wider stop loss too. Right, so it's depend on your way of trading or your trading behavior. Okay, but tighter stop loss gonna give you a better risk reward ratio, right? So 30 to 40 pip stop loss gonna give you a good return. Okay, because you are selling at the bottom. So this is gonna be the medium term target. All right, so you are looking this target, right? These two targets for medium term. Okay, back at the previous bottom or new low all the way back at the 107. Okay, actually these are the targets. Okay, this target can go all the way up to 107 or 107.75. All right, so good trade, and price action appeared over there already. We believe that this is simple ABC move, and rather than for more push up, we're gonna have a very nice leg to the downside. So this opportunity can take some time before you're gonna get profitable. All right, so this is not gonna complete in hours. All right, so it can take some time before going to reach at the bottom. All right, so at least the wave up to that previous bottom can take up to 10 to 15 days. All right, so this short-term opportunity back at the bottom. All right, so it can take up to 10 to 15 days. All right, and the whole move up to 107 can take much longer than that. All right, much longer than that. So just look at the previous wave. If we're going to copy the previous wave, all right, then it can take up to 100 days. All right, for next bearish wave up to 107. So nice opportunity with the previous trend. Okay, so this is what you are looking, by the way, and good luck, and watch for that lower time frame correction, which I have just shown you, 15-minute correction. And once that correction is going to complete, get into the trade on that correction. All right, so this is your bigger time frame pattern. So very nice, simple, and easy to understand. What structure is there, what pattern is there, price action is there already on your lower time frame. Okay, so watch that and look for it to continue to go lower. So good luck. We'll see you back again in another setup. Thank you and bye-bye.